welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. So this is the oil I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. My friend saw my face because I've been sick actually. um I just took my last injection. So I'm still not strong. I'm down with malaria and typhoid. So my friend was like, are you sure you're sick? Says your skin is glowing, your face everywhere is glowing. Like, what am I using? I have to like tell her. She's actually the one that turned this oil, and this was she left for me. She said I can easily make another one, so she left this one for me. So guys, let me show you guys how to make this oil. It's really simple and easy. It will glow your skin, it will fade that burns, sunburns. You can use it for stretch mark. Also it will like fade away scars, spots. It will help in acne and all. So the first oil I used sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil is a calming compound. It has the ability to renew the complexion, whether it is psoriasis, eczema, or pigmentation. It even has skin tones. It clears pores and reduces inflammation from mild skin irritation, and then it lightens skin. So I added sandalwood oil. I just added a little bit. It was actually full, not really full like here, but that's almost full. So you measure it out. But if you don't have sandalwood, like jojoba oil is a very good oil. You can use jojoba oil as your carrier oil, then rest essential oils. But jojoba oil is amazing. I don't have jojoba oil. Then the other one I added was neem oil. Neem oil too is a carrier oil. I hate the smell. Smells so bad. Anyways guys, neem oil contains vitamin E, is rich in fatty acid, is great for healing cracked and dry skin, and then it locks moisture in the skin, and then it smoothens out the skin. It's a very good oil, neem oil. It's just the smell is terrible. I hate the smell. Third oil I added was turmeric, and turmeric is good for acne. Being an an antifungal and antiseptic, it will dry out pimples. It's used for stretch marks and anti-spot cream, and it fades away any marks, and then it lightens the skin. Also, everybody knows turmeric is really great for lightening the skin. And again, I added lavender, um yeah, lavender essential oil. I added like 4 drops, and lemon essential oil. I added 4 drops as well. So lastly I added the miracle powder. If you look at the bottom, it doesn't dissolve. It will not dissolve. It will just be at the bottom, so you have to like shake. So I'm coming guys. So I added miracle powder like a pinch, and you can see, I'm sorry, yeah, burns, black spot, pimples, black knuckles, brown patches, stretch mark, aftershave. If it blocks, you can dissolve with hot water. So I added pinch of this one inside. This thing is very powerful. For those that want to use it, you can just like put a little bit in water, use cotton wool, and apply on your face. It will help for everything that is written here. And it works very well, but it's not magic. So guys, yeah, so that's what I added a pinch of it to this oil. And then standard, that if you look at my previous video, you'll see I gave a review about that standard oil, the one for face. I added like, I think, let me just say half a cover It's not really up to half, but that's what I added, and that's what I've been using since I've not been going out. I just, when I wake up in the morning, I use it. So my friend was like, this thing was full, like she turned it, and then you can see, here you can see it, you can see the level right now. She said you will make another one. Ah, it's true. I will actually make another one when this one is finished. Oh, sorry, I did not add. I added vitamin E. Very little vitamin E. I added like 5 drops of vitamin E oil inside. So is what I use in the mornings, and just use very small. You don't have to like pack it. You don't want your face to be, you know. And it's been glowing my skin. I've been loving my face actually. So it's really nice. You guys try it out and then give me your feedback. When I'm stronger, I'm going to do soap for light skin, dark skin, black soap. Then if you're dark skin and you want to glow your skin, avocado oil, coconut oil, then vitamin E oil, then add a little bit of miracle powder. You can still add this oil too. Anybody can use oil, dark or fair, fair person can use this oil just to glow your skin and all that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Have a lovely week ahead. Yeah, take care.